ban kham pensuk ya kalet kawan jong di paiba ka any right kawan ra shapi ya ka app pathamai ka ba phila ban download na Play Store ka ba kerteng ka any right rider ha kani ka app hidon bon chat ki kali ba phila ban jet kat kum ka jingkwa jong phi kum ka bike ne scooty ka auto rickshaw taxi kamai bat ka tourist taxi ka ba phila ban le chadu Guwahati airport phila ban book lingba kani ka app tang han Shillong han rei ha baro ki district na banda ka jingte bakham bania phone haune number 8416069241 namar ninyo kor ya kapor jong phi.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us for the 133rd edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024, powered by Coal India, organized by the Indian Armed Forces and supported by the government of Meghalaya. It's semi-final time, and this game is coming to you from the Nehru Stadium in Shillong, home side, Shillong Lajong Football Club, taking on Northeast United Football Club. And we're off. We're off in what is a beautiful stadium. We're off in what is, of course, promises to be a brilliant night for Indian football. Shillong Lajong in their all-red kits. Northeast United in their all-white kits. And fighting for a place in the final of this edition's Durand Cup. And straight away, the home side is on the attack. Down the left flank. You can hear that cheer. You can hear that loud cheer whenever Shillong Lajong is on the ball. Brilliant, of course, combination there this time. Brilliantly put in as well. And straight away, Northeast United have taken the lead in this first semi-final of the Durand Cup. Thoi Singh at the end of a beautiful cross, silencing the Nehru Stadium in Shillong. You'd have to say so far, from a Shillong Lajong perspective, of course, yes, what's up front is not working too much for them. They don't seem to have that much of a threat as far as goal-scoring opportunities is concerned. Meanwhile, Jithin has gone down, holding his right leg.
Oh, that's a bang from behind. Almost clipping him off. Our referee doesn't have a card for this. It could be paining. Lucky for him, the shin pads are on. What a player Ronnie has been translated into a very experienced player. He's got a goal to his credit. Look at that beautiful back helo there. Manikandan really going up and putting the ball between the defender and the goalkeeper. And look at the sight from Thoi Singh, simply getting in between 3-4 red shirts and putting the ball in for a goal. Wonderful goal there.
And here's one of them. On to jersey number 21 now. Goes for that long-range shot. Gurmeet doing just about enough.
In the middle of the park, every time he gets the ball, look at that. Nobody really attacking him. He takes a swipe at the goal, dips in front of the goalkeeper. He's always been ready over there to take that stroke. Nice layoff. And right in the center, he's got two options. Oh, that was a deflection from the defender. Lucky goalkeeper really showed his reflex so beautifully.
Here's Nest, a beautiful touch, beautiful turn. Tries to find Ajare, brilliant touch. And what a, again, misses it the first time. Makes no mistake the second time around. It looks like the referee spoiled the party. Because that goal is not going to count. The offside flag is up.
Thinking it was perfect, but look at that. The ball he was in the onside position. No offside from our side. And that's the reason why he was brought into this match, to create these goals. Look at that.
I can't seem to understand why that offside has been given, Henry, because you see that ball ricocheting off the pole. He's clearly behind the defender. So as things stand, it should be the second goal for Northeast United.
Yes. Yeah, that's why the discussion over there, because the ball has gone ricocheted on the pole and then come back, and let's see what that's what is given. He's given it 2-0.
Rightfully done, and rightfully so. Good officiating from Crystal John in a massive game. This is a massive moment for this game. Ajare giving a 2-0 lead to Northeast United, courtesy some brilliant play by Nestor first, and then of course the touch to bring it down. A bit of controversy and a bit of confusion as far as the decision was, but nonetheless that decision has been reversed and it's done in favor of Northeast United. Yeah, you can see that touch again and again. What a brilliant first touch that was. Missed it the first time, made no mistake the second time around. Ajare, brilliant, just brilliant stuff. Juan Pedro Benali has gone 2 goals up in this semi-final, courtesy of the 2 changes he's made to the starting 11. Well, as things stand, Northeast United are going somewhere they've never gone before in the history of the club, and that is the final of a competition. Their best ever performance in the ISL semi-finals 2020-21. Their best ever performance in a Super Cup semi-final again in 2023. Well, this time around they could go 1 up as far as that performance is concerned. Not too far away from it. Remember, it's only the first half. Samte again. Here's the new boy, Redeem Talang, straight away takes the shot. It's a feisty shot, rather it was Ajare. Quick turn, quick to take the shot as well.
He's got everything in him, you know. Look at that strength he has got to keep the ball away from the defender, then turning himself, has a lot of space over there to put that ball on the last. But that's the applaud from the coach. Well done, boy.
Put in by Samte, brilliant save on the line, danger still not averted, finally averted. Manas Dube showing brilliant reflexes, stopping Northeast United from making that 2-goal lead into a 3-goal lead.
Yes, important for goalkeepers, you know, to make the right decision, and that's the reason why the ball came in inch perfect, and that a header straight into the hands of the goalkeeper who really palms it away for safety. He also knows this could have been a game, set and match for him.
Ball put in, numbers in the box. They've got to attack it this time. Danger still not averted. Eventually, referee Crystal John blows in favour of Northeast United.
And that ball travelled pretty well over there, and there were a host number of Reds to really attack. But look at that. Lovely defending once again from Zebek. And then this foul bought inside the box. Lucky.
Yeah, you ask the player, he'll feel like he's never done anything wrong. Players, of course, not too happy with the referee, who, from where we're sitting, Henry, it seems like he's had a very good game of football from an officiating point of view. Shillong Lajong Football Club have been brought down to 10 men. Ronnie Wilson has been sent off by referee Crystal John. Here's Hamza. Space down that left flank. Parthiv Gogoi. There are 2 players inside. Who's he going to go for? He's going to go for it all by himself. Parthiv Gogoi getting the 3rd goal of the night, and surely now Northeast United have found themselves a spot in the final of this edition's Durand Cup.
And that's the pass that came in from Hamza. Simply nobody there to attack him, getting inside the box. Look at him. So much confidence. He knows that the defender is there and shields the ball so beautifully and just places on the far corner.
"16 goals in the tournament, conceded just 1, and which is why this team is moving into the finals of the Durand Cup. There you have it, your finalists confirmed. Northeast United will be contesting for that trophy come the 31st of this month. 3 goals too good on the night. 3 goals enough to get rid of Shillong Lajong in the semi-finals. All 3 goals coming courtesy of Thoi Singh, Ajare and Parthiv Gogoi getting the 3rd and final goal in the 94th minute. It's full time at the Nehru Stadium in Shillong, and it's Northeast United who are marching on in the
Kalat kamay, kumbah nyuspa tingka hadu siajar tingka sisngi, yaki banyak baiknya skuti, otorikshaw, taksi kamay bat tourist taksi. Pila ban download yakini ka app Any Ride Captain na Play Store bat sa pendap yaki jingdon kam, kum kikot kisla, kat kum ke jingdon kam, lingba kani ka app. Pila ban register na keleng kejaka, kabahap hapok kejala Meghalaya. Nabenta ke jingtip bakhambania phone hau new number 84160 692 4-1.